Ever find yourself staring into the fridge at 3 p.m., craving something crunchy, cheesy, or just anything to keep going? We've all been there, and if you're living the keto life, finding a satisfying snack that won't kick you out of ketosis can feel like a mission. But good news, keto snacking can be fast, delicious, and totally guilt-free. Keto snacks aren't about skipping flavor. They're about finding smart, high-fat, low-carb combos that actually satisfy. Whether you need something on the go, after the gym, or just while watching a show, these quick recipes will help you stay energized without sabotaging your progress. Crispy cheese chips serves 2 1-cup shredded cheddar cheese, 1/4 of a teaspoon garlic powder, 1/4 of a teaspoon smoked paprika. Preheat oven to 400 degrees Fahrenheit, 200 degrees Celsius. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper. Place small piles of shredded cheese, about 2 inches apart. Sprinkle with garlic powder and paprika. Bake 5 to 7 minutes or until golden and crispy. Let cool and enjoy. Avocado tuna boats serves 2 1-ripe avocado. 1 can tuna in olive oil, drained. 1 tablespoon mayonnaise. Half a tablespoon lemon juice. Salt and pepper to taste. Have the avocado and remove the pit. In a bowl, mix tuna, mayo, lemon juice, salt, and pepper. Spoon the mixture into the avocado halves. Great for a quick lunch or protein-packed snack. Nut butter fat bombs serve 6 to 2 bombs each, half cup almond butter. 1/4 cup coconut oil. 2 tablespoons cocoa powder. 10 drops liquid stevia or 1 tablespoon erythritol. Melt almond butter and coconut oil over low heat. Stir in cocoa and sweetener. Pour into silicone molds and freeze for 1 hour. Store in the fridge and pop one when cravings hit. Boiled egg and pickle bites serves 2 boiled eggs, sliced. 2 small dill pickles, sliced. 1 tablespoon cream cheese. Spread cream cheese on egg slices and top with a pickle. Simple, crunchy, and surprisingly addictive. Pepperoni cucumber stacks serves 2 half cucumber, sliced. 12 pepperoni slices. 2 tablespoons whipped cream cheese. Spread cream cheese on cucumber slices and top each with a slice of pepperoni. Stack 2 or 3 together for more crunch. Great to pack in a small container. Snack smart, stay on track. Keep grab-and-go options ready: boiled eggs, olives, cheese sticks, and keto-friendly jerky. Always read labels to avoid hidden sugars, and prep in batches so you're not tempted by processed snacks. Snacking doesn't have to feel like a cheat. With the right keto-friendly options, every bite works for your goals, not against them. Which of these keto snacks would you try first? Or do you already have a go-to favorite? Let's swap ideas in the comments.